Today, I'll show you how to get an Airtable API key using Airtable's newer personal access tokens. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set things up safely so your apps and integrations can talk to your Airtable bases. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari will work fine. Once the page loads, sign into your Airtable account using your usual login details. You'll need to be signed in because your API key, or token, is tied directly to your account and its permissions. After you're logged in, you'll head to the Airtable Developer Hub. The fastest way is to go directly to airtable.com developers in the address bar. This is where Airtable keeps all the tools and documentation for building integrations, including where you create personal access tokens that replace the older style API keys. On the Developer Hub page, look for the section labeled Personal Access Tokens. Go ahead and click that. This area shows any tokens you've already created, and it's also where you'll make a new one. Next, click the button that says Create New Token. This starts the process of setting up a new token that your scripts or applications will use to access Airtable on your behalf. You'll first be prompted to enter a name for the token. Choose something descriptive that helps you remember what this token is used for later. For example, you might name it something like Reporting Dashboard Token or Internal Automation Token. Clear naming becomes really helpful as you create more tokens over time, so you can quickly see which ones are still needed and which can be removed. After naming the token, you'll choose the scopes or permissions you want to allow. Scopes control what this token is allowed to do inside Airtable. For many common use cases, you'll see options like data.records, read, and data.records write. If you only need to read data from a base, you might select just read access. If the integration needs to create or update records, you'll also need write access. As a best practice, only grant the minimum scopes required for what you're building. This helps keep your account more secure. Once you've selected the scopes, you'll choose which bases or workspaces this token can access. You can limit it to just the specific base or workspace that your integration needs instead of giving it broad access to everything. Again, the more narrowly you can scope this, the better from a security standpoint. When you're satisfied with the name, scopes, and base or workspace access, click Create Token. Airtable will generate the token for you. This token is essentially your new API key. As soon as the token appears, carefully copy it and store it in a secure place. You might paste it into a password manager or a secure environment variable in your app. Avoid saving it in plain text files or sharing it in chat messages. Keep in mind that Airtable may not show this exact token again, so it's important to save it right away. If you lose it, you'll typically need to come back, revoke the old token, and create a new one. And that's it. You've successfully created an Airtable personal access token that you can now use as your API key in your scripts, integrations, or third-party tools.